This next video we're going to look at is going to look at what happens if you amend the building. You can see here the previous project that we used, we've now got the addition of a refectory area on the ground floor. So we want to be able to revise the building model in SciMap. To that end, what we do is in this case the Revit program, we export each of our revised floor plans to DXF. So effectively each of these floor plans we would export and save in a folder in the software. We also then write the GBXML to show the revised geometry. And put that in the appropriate location. That then creates the geometry. So now we re-enter the existing project, and you can see here we can level up and down. So those are the floor plans we've currently got on the project. First task for us to do really is to delete all the existing geometry and the room spaces. So to do that we go to the display menu, we go to the room review editor, and applying the room filter we can delete every one of these rooms. Now we've removed all the geometry, what we need to do now is to update the floor plans. So to do this we go to the Tools ribbon and we select Manage DXF. This brings up the DXF file management dialog box where we then select our new floor plans. So we edit, we browse, and we pick up the new floor plans which are residing in a different folder. So we just retrieve those from the folder and we pick the revised floor plan. We can show that floor plan as well. Back to the Manage DXF file manager, the first floor, edit the first floor. Incidentally, if the elevation on the 3D project had changed, we could have changed any of the elevations in line with the change from the original building as well. And we pick the first floor. Again, we can show that one as the first floor, and then we can manage DXF and show the second and edit the second floor as well. So we now have all the revised floor plans introduced. All we now need to do is reintroduce the revised GBXML from the revised building. So back to the File tab, import GBXML rooms, and then we pick up the new XML file that we've written. And we import all that data. And there you can see on each of the levels all of the revised geometry. There you can see the ground floor extension. Users of Revit will notice that on the face data now there has been a change in the way the GBXML is handled, in that now instead of having a face with a series of windows in it, each window is treated as a separate face, and within that face lies an external window. So you would have the window frame made of metal, and then you have the window type within that particular glazing type.